How can you change the name of the iPhone owner? Let's talk about this, but before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc because we have so many tutorials for you already. Now, there are two names of the iPhone. Like, if you go to the settings, the general section, and about, you can check out the name of the phone. So it's the device name. This is going to appear whenever you connect your device to a computer or when you're using AirDrop to share files, or, for example, when you create a hotspot for a personal network, right? Like when you share internet with other people, this is going to be the name of the network. However, it's not the name of the owner, but the name of the device. The name of the owner can be found inside of the main settings app. At the top right there, you can see your name right there and your profile picture, and you can tap on a personal information to see more things, like, of course, more details about it. And here you can, of course, change your first name, middle name, and last name, and also your birthday. So this is where you can change the name of the owner, of the person like you that has this iPhone. So this is more important whenever you are, I don't know, like contacting other people, or whenever the default name of a person is supposed to be used. This one is the name that it's going to be used. So that's it for me. Hopefully I managed to explain it properly. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.